In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down price list in Google Sheets. We'll start by setting up a clean, reliable source for your drop-down. Create this in a separate area of your current sheet, or even better, on a new tab dedicated to pricing. In column A, enter the names of your products or services. One item per row. In column B, enter their corresponding prices. Aligned with each item, it helps to add simple headers like item in A1 and price in B1. Keep your entries consistent and avoid blank rows. If you'd like, format column B as currency so prices are easy to read. This master list is the single source of truth your dropdown will pull from, making updates straightforward later. Now let's create the actual dropdown where you'll choose an item. Go to your main working sheet. This might be an invoice, a quote table, or any area where you'll select products. Click the specific cell where you want the item selector to live. Open the data menu at the top and choose Data Validation. In the panel that appears, click plus Add Rule to create a new validation rule. Under Criteria, choose Dropdown from Arrangements. This tells Sheets you want the dropdown to reference cells that already exist. Next, select the item names from your reference price list. For example, a range like price list A2, A20. If your tab has a different name or your list is longer or shorter, adjust the range to match exactly where your items are stored. When you are confident the range is correct, click Done. You'll now see a small arrow appear in the cell you selected. Click it to reveal the full list of item names from your master list. Choose one and you are all set. The dropdown is active and ready to use. A few quick tips for smooth maintenance. Keep your item names unique, so it's clear what you are selecting, and avoid leaving blank rows in the list, since they'll show up as empty choices. If you add new products later, just update the range in your validation rule or plan ahead by setting the range large enough to include future rows. For readability, you can widen columns in your working sheet so long names don't get cut off. If you want the same dropdown in multiple rows, copy the cell with the dropdown and paste it down the column to reuse the rule efficiently. That's all it takes to build a clean, dependable dropdown price list in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.